Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove Quick View from your WooCommerce store or your theme, depending on what you did to even get it in the first place. So let's get right into it. Now you'll notice that I am on a community forum post, which I will be using to get some solutions for you guys. Since I do not have a WooCommerce subscription, it is way too expensive. Now this is solvable in two ways, depending on which way you have. If you've added a plugin or an application to your WooCommerce store, all you have to do is remove it. If it enables the quick view option, just remove it and it should uninstall itself and you'll be good to go. Now if you don't, and if it is part of the theme that you are using on your WooCommerce store, then you'll need to code a bit in CSS. Now this first answer that I'm going to show you guys, as you can see, you need to use custom coding or custom CSS to make the display none for the quick view button. There are a couple of ways in which you can do this. One of them is this one right here. Just find the quick view element within the CSS of that page that you're editing, or in general of your entire site, and then just set display to none, and that should be it. As you can see, 3 lines of code, nothing major, nothing complicated. Now what else you could do is something like this, which is pretty much the same. As I've mentioned, just find the code snippet where the attributes of the quick view button are, and once you find it, just delete it or just click display none. Don't delete the entire code block, just enter display none, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.